The Toyota Sienna is renowned for its reliability and longevity, but like any vehicle, proper maintenance is key to keeping it running smoothly and safely for years to come. This guide equips you, the Sienna owner, with valuable tips and tricks to ensure your minivan thrives on the road. Understanding your owner's manual. Your first line of defense for maintaining your Sienna is the owner's manual. This comprehensive guide outlines the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid level checks. Familiarize yourself with the service intervals specific to your Sienna's model year and mileage. Essential maintenance practices. Regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Follow the recommended oil change intervals in your owner's manual, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Use the correct oil grade specified by Toyota for optimal engine performance and protection. Tire care. Proper tire care is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month when the tires are cold. Maintain the recommended pressure indicated on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles for even wear and tear. Visually inspect your tires for signs of damage, such as tread wear, bulges, or cracks. Replace tires when the tread depth reaches the wear indicator bar. Fluid levels. Several vital fluids keep your Sienna functioning optimally. These include engine coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on checking and topping off these fluids. Never overfill any fluid reservoir. Air filter replacement. The air filter cleanses the air entering the engine. A clogged air filter reduces engine performance and fuel efficiency. Replace the air filter according to the recommended schedule in your owner's manual, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Battery maintenance. A healthy battery ensures a reliable start. Visually inspect your battery for signs of corrosion on the terminals. Clean the terminals with a baking soda and water solution if necessary. Tighten loose connections. Consider replacing your battery every 4 to 5 years, especially before signs of weakness appear. Proactive maintenance. Tips. Listen to your Sienna. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from your engine or suspension. A grinding noise during braking could indicate worn brake pads, while a clunking sound might suggest suspension issues. Addressing these concerns promptly can prevent more significant problems down the road. Keep records. Maintain a logbook to record your maintenance history, including dates, mileage, and services performed. This will be helpful for future reference and when scheduling future maintenance. DIY versus professional service. While some maintenance tasks, like checking fluid levels and topping them off, can be done at home, more complex procedures like oil change, brake pad replacement, or spark plug replacements are best left to qualified mechanics. Consult your owner's manual to determine which tasks you can handle yourself and which require professional expertise. Taking advantage of dealership services. Many Toyota dealerships offer routine maintenance packages that can save you money in the long run. These packages often bundle oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections at a discounted price. Winterization. Tips. For those living in colder climates, winterizing your Sienna is essential. Replace your worn wiper blades with winter blades designed for snow and ice. Consider using synthetic oil, which flows better in colder temperatures. Check your antifreeze level and ensure it's sufficient for the expected low temperatures. Summerization. Tips. For hot summer months, ensure your air conditioning system is functioning properly. Top off the windshield washer fluid with a summertime formula that can handle higher temperatures and bug splatter. Conclusion. By following these maintenance tips and tricks, you can ensure your Toyota Sienna remains a reliable and enjoyable companion for countless miles. Remember, a little preventive maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your vehicle and saving you money on costly repairs down the road. Develop a regular maintenance routine. Listen to your Sienna and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.